Assalamualaikum, class 2 students. I am Ms. Citra Bhatt. I am your maths teacher. Hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. This video is for both groups, for group A and for group B. Group A will do this work on Thursday 24th June 2021 and group B will do this work on Wednesday 23rd June 2021. Today we will do page number 58 plus 60 of Math School Workbook. This is your Math School Workbook and today's our topic is 3 times table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27 and 3 tens are 30. अब आपने ये टेबल पेज नंबर 58 पे फॉर्मेशन फॉलो करते हुए लिखना है. You have to write this table in proper formation. First you have to write date, homework and day on page number 58. पेज नंबर 58 पे आपने डेट, होमवर्क और डे राइट करना है और उसके बाद आपने टेबल लिखना स्टार्ट करना है. Now let's start with the table of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 multiplication sign 1 is equal to 3. 3 is a single digit number, so we will write 3 in the ones place. 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12 and 12 is a two digit number, so we will write 12. 12 is 1 10 and 2 ones, so we will write 1 in the tens and 2 in the ones place. You have to complete this table. 3 tens are 30, 3 ones are 3 till 3 tens are 30. Now move on to the page number 60. You have to write date, homework and day. पहले हमने टेबल, आप टेबल को लर्न कर लोगे 3 टाइम्स टेबल को, उसके बाद आपने उसको राइट करना है. देन उसके बाद आप इजीली जो डॉजिंग है टेबल, कहीं से भी आपको टेबल दिया जा सकता है तो आप उसको लिखेंगे. 3 twos are 3 twos are 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 3 fives are. आप जल्दी से अपने माइंड में लेकर आओगे टेबल में, जल्दी से कि क्या आंसर आएगा वो आप यहाँ राइट कर दोगे. When we have to multiply 3 with 5, that means 3 fives are, so we have to immediately do the table in our mind. 3 fives are 3 fives are 3 fives are 15. Now next 3 sevens are 3 sevens are 3 sevens are. अगर आपने टेबल अच्छे से लर्न किया होगा तो आप इजीली ये जो डॉजिंग ऑफ टेबल है कर सकते हैं. 3 sevens are 21. Now you have to solve the remaining part by yourself. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.